Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson Human Eye and Colorful World from 10th class physics. So this is the cross section of the eyeball. So cornea, pupil, iris, macula, optic nerve, retina, lens, ciliary muscles, there are so many. Already you studied about this. Now let us get into somewhat deeper. Now we have some questions here, but they are not clear. Okay, now let us make it clear and let us know the answers in this chapter. First question, what is the function of lens in human eye? How does it help to see objects at long distances and short distances? How is it possible to get the image at the same distance on the retina? Are we able to see all objects in front of our eye clearly? How do the lenses used in spectacles correct the defects of vision? So to answer all the above questions, you need to understand the structure and functioning of the human eye. Let us do the following activities to know about some interesting things about our vision. Activity 1. Take a textbook and hold it with your hands in front of you at a certain distance. Now try to read the contents on the page. Slowly move the book towards your eye till it is very clear to your eyes. So, science shaped my life. I have opened a book and it is kept at some distance from my eye, and I am clearly able to see the letters in the book. I brought my book near to my eye. In this case also, I am able to read the letters in the book clearly, and I do it further. And in this situation also, I am able to read the letters clearly. Science shaped my life. And now I brought very close to my eye. Now you can observe that the letters are not clear. They are somewhat blurred. So in this case I am unable to read them comfortably. What changes do you notice? You may see that printed letters on the page of the textbook appear blurred, or you feel some strain in the eye to make it clear. So now slowly move the book backwards to the position where you can see clear printed letters without straining your eye. Ask your friends to measure the distance between your eye and the textbook at this position where you can see them clearly without straining the eye. Note down its value. Repeat the activity with other friends and note down the distances for distinct vision in each case. Find the average of all these distances of clear vision. From this activity, we will conclude that to see an object comfortably and distinctly, we need to keep at a distance of 25 centimeters from the eye. This distance is called least distance of distinct vision. Least distance of distinct vision. This varies from person to person and with the age. So at a very young age, about below 10 years, the muscles around the eye are strong and flexible and can bear more strain. So that's why the least distance of distinct vision at this age is as close to as 7 to 8 centimeters. But for the normal eye, it is 25 centimeters. And in old age, The muscles cannot sustain more strain, hence the least distance of distinct vision shifts to a larger value, say about 1 to 2 meters or even more. So this is the content all about the least distance of distinct vision and measuring things.